Okay, right now we're going to introduce to you, this is the normal anti-rust cleaner. It cleans away the rust and also it cleans out the protective coating and no lubrication. This is our Hocen penetration lubrication, and it also helps to remove the rust and displace the moisture, and also it will help the two metals not stick together. It's very good for the cutting tools, and also it will reduce the temperature and make the cuttings hole is very clean and nice, and also reduce all the wear and tear. We're going to do a demo. First, we're going to use this anti-rust. We're going to spray on this roller. Right. We're going to place on this stationary roller, and we're going to put these two bearings in contact. We stop the metal. You can hear the sound is very loud. We're going to put one bearing, one weight, 1 kg, one ton. You can hear the sound is louder, and you can see the ammeter is actually moving. Now we put the second one. You can see the ammeter went out. It requires more power to move the bearing. You can see there is a lot of heat generated up. The wear and tear is coming in. Now we put the third bearing, and you see it stopped. It cannot move anymore. Right, now we're going to off this machine. I'm going to show you the wear and tear. You can see it's actually wear out a lot of metal from this stationary bearing, because this the anti-rust is already removed all the rust and actually remove the protective coating. So there's no more coating. That's why the wear and tear is very badly weathered. Okay, now we're going to put our Hocen penetration lubrication onto the same bearing. And onto this stationary bearing as well. And now we're going to put these two bearings in contact again. When you look at the ammeter, it doesn't require much power to move the bearing. Now we're going to put this weight, 1 kg to 1 ton. You can see the sound is softened. And you can put the second one. Just now the second one already make a lot of noise and also wearing took place. Now the second one, now the sound is softened. Now we put the third one, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now you look at the ammeter is remain the same position without any increase of power to rotate the bearing. And you can see the heat is burning out. Okay, right now we're going to put some water. We're going to put some water in it. Okay. You can see it's burning hot. Right there is a thermal expansion because of the water enter into the two bearing rubbing. It's very hot. You can see the water is burning. Right, you can see the water is burning. And it's still rotating. If you look at the ammeter, doesn't require additional power to move this bearing. Right. Okay, now we're going to off this machine, and you can see what is the wear and tear of this stationary bearing. It's very hot. You can see it's the same place. Just now was very rough, and now it's become very smooth and very shining, because our oil went into it and hardened it and smoothened it and become mirror finish it. And this makes our metal is very strong. That's why with zero friction, there's no wear and tear take place. Thank you.